Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can run ads on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, we are right now on my store on Shopify. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to run ads, for example, we're going to test it with Facebook. So the first thing is go to the Shopify App Store. In a new tab, you can search for Shopify App Store. And then once you're here, go to the search bar and search for Facebook. Once you do that, just search for Facebook and Instagram. And then make sure that the developer is Meta. Once you checked, make sure you install the application. Just click on install and then wait for it to load. And once you're here, click on add sales channel. And then in order to start, you need to click on start setup and just follow these steps in order to start running ads on your Facebook or Instagram. So firstly, you need to connect your Facebook account to get started. So just click on connect account and fill this form with your account informations. Once you do that, make sure that your Facebook is a business account and then complete these steps and you will be able to run ads on your Facebook or your Instagram. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.